So the apprenticeship evening is all about obviously looking for young people and well, we offer degree apprenticeships, so all different ages, to look at the applied education pathway to be supported by industry and also education at the same time. They're important because industry is evolving constantly, and to have more applied education and kind of projects within that, as apprenticeships are, gives people the opportunity to learn at the same time as working within industry, getting that hands-on experience. I hope that people can see the wide range of opportunities that there are, that colleges and universities are working together to offer young people a whole breadth of opportunities, and that ultimately there's no one way to do something. If you want to get involved in a different sector, there's always opportunities there, so yeah.
So far I've learned that you can get paid while learning on the job, and it's really interesting because there's a lot of information being given out of a lot of different types of jobs.
So this evening was the premiere of the video, and it's an evening where different companies can essentially say to the people who want an apprenticeship that, you know, it's a good thing and be an apprenticeship for our company.
I've learned a lot about apprenticeships, like what type of grades you need, how they work exactly, and it's a lot of practical stuff, not just theory. So you're working in the field as well, and you're gaining actual work experience.
Personally, I started my career as an apprentice. I started working when I was in school. It enabled me to have like a high skill set by the time I went full-time for my apprenticeship in September. I've completed my level 2 and 3 in hairdressing. So I just feel like I've had a lot of career progression education-wise and in like the hairdressing industry. It's enabled me to have a lot of opportunities. I then went on to do my assessors, so I'm now actually a teacher and I assess. With working in the same company for 15 years, I actually took over as co-owner a year ago. So starting out as a Saturday girl as an apprentice and going on as a salon owner, so it's been really beneficial for me. We do take on apprentices each year, and I just think sometimes it's really quite hard to hit that target market. We've gone into schools and given presentations. Sometimes that's not always easy. So this is the first time I've actually heard of an event like this. So yeah, events like this is like ideal for us to come and sort of showcase what we've got and just see if there's anybody that's interested in working with us.